In this video, I'll show you how you can play Rainbow Six Mobile using a PS5 controller. Now first things first, you have to pair the PS5 controller to your mobile device. Now all you have to do is put the PS5 controller into pairing mode. So let me just do that, put it into pairing mode. And then once it's in pairing mode, all you have to do is access the Bluetooth settings on your device. So go to settings and find Bluetooth. So once you're in the Bluetooth settings, simply scan for any available devices and you can see my DualSense controller, the PS5 controller, has been detected. So tap on it and then select pair to confirm the pairing process, as you can see. Now once it's connected, you can simply go back to the game and you should see this prompt playing with the controller. You can simply read all that and then tap on continue. And then now you can launch a match and now you can play with your controller. So let me just launch a random match. So you can see you're now using your controller to play Rainbow Six Mobile. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.